Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm joining you from Shanghai, where we hear that BA have cancelled their flights into and out of Shanghai and also Beijing. We hear that the death count has unfortunately risen to 132 as panic spreads across China and the rest of the world. We also hear that Northern Rail is to be nationalised by the UK, and also that Boeing reported their first loss in 20 years. So we move to indices. We saw a nervous rally in the Asian session, with the Australian index and the Nikkei 225 both rallying. However, the Hang Seng fell 2.82% because it was closed all week. This nervous rally has been carried over into the European and US session. We see that the FTSE is down 0.02%, the S&P 500 is down 0.25%, and that the Dow Jones is down 0.5%. If we move to shares, we see that Boeing reported their first loss in 20 years, with the 737 MAX costing an estimated $18.6 billion. This is double previous estimates, but the share has surprisingly rallied, with investors pricing this in. It is up almost 3% today. Intu Properties have downgraded their £485 million bond, and this has been taken negatively by investors, falling over 2%. We see that Intu Properties has a net debt of $5 billion, which is massive, and the share price has fallen 80% this year. We also look towards Tesla earnings and Facebook earnings this evening. If we move to the FX market, we see that the pound has continued its fall. It is down 0.24% against the US dollar, ahead of the Bank of England decision tomorrow at midday. We also see that the USD Chinese yuan is flat, up 0.01%, with markets unsure of direction. The same is true for the USD Japan, which is up 0.01%, or flat for the day, with markets unsure. We see that gold is up slightly, 0.15%, to $1,570 per ounce, with markets again unsure of a direction. Oil is mixed after a EIA weekly crude surplus. We see that the US crude is up and Brent oil is down. If we move to bonds, we see that again things are mixed, with little direction from markets. We see that the UK 2-year is flat and the 10-year is down, and we see that the US 2-year is up and the 10-year is also up. The German bond 2-year is down and the 10-year is flat. Thank you for listening.